do you actually start getting your followers to click buy now? Well, by using this formula or this process, you can actually start converting your followers into paying clients. No, it's not about posting a video. It's actually about building a relationship. A relationship with your followers that knows, likes, and trusts you. Because who do people buy from? People they know, like, or trust. I want you to think about the last time you bought something from a complete stranger. Okay, or better yet, let's think about the last time you bought something because your friend told you that she is loving this foundation or this workout program. Or even, when was the last time that you watched a Netflix show because your bestie told you it was totally binge-worthy? Yeah, I'm sure it was the latter, right? If you want to make more sales online, you need to build a relationship with your followers first. A relationship that builds the like, know, and trust. This is the process someone has to go through before they buy from you. And the quickest way that you can get someone or your followers through this process is through video. We already know that video marketing is 600% more effective than images or text alone. In video, you can get someone to know, like, and trust you in just one video. But what do you need to include in your videos in order to build all three? First, you always need to be adding value to your viewers. Now, in order for someone to get to know you, you need to be showing up consistently and talking about who you are. And I'm not just meaning sitting in front of the camera and talking about who you are. I mean showing them who you are and what you're about. You also want to make sure that you're creating content that is specific to your niche, so your followers always know who you are and what you're about. Once you start showing up consistently on your social media and showing people the authentic you, the authentic version of you, people are just going to like you. And you build that liked factor by being relatable, showing more of the behind the scenes, showing your face and being yourself on camera. And the best way is actually doing this through your stories. Now, just like in real life, people will like you and some people just won't. But if you're continually sharing content that is specific to your niche, the people who are looking for that content that you're sharing will just naturally like you. And these are the people that we want in our business. And these are the people that will buy from you. You cannot skip this last step, trust. In fact, you cannot pitch your offer until you have built trust with your followers. So here's an example I just want to think about. If I came out and told you that if you took my course, you will be a millionaire overnight, would you buy it? No, because you wouldn't believe me. So to build trust with your followers, you need to produce professional looking videos and you need testimonials. Your followers need to hear the results, your own results, because this all builds trust. Going back to my example, if you believed me, if you trusted me, you would buy my course. It would be a no-brainer. So once you have all three, then you can go ahead and pitch your offer. Start experimenting with your footage. See what kind of videos is getting you more engagement, more messages in your DMs. This homework will give you some groundwork to work from and see what type of content your audience is already liking. Now, additionally, I want you to spend some time going through the content that you already have, and I want you to ask yourself this. If you were to meet yourself in person, would you be inclined to get to know this person? Would you want to be her friend? Do you trust this person? Do you have reason to believe her? Now, if you can't answer any of these questions, you know what you need to improve on. And I bet you if you can't answer those questions, you probably need to be showing up more through video and showing your face to your audience. If adding video content already just makes you feel overwhelmed, then I want you to subscribe to my channel, because through my channel, I will actually be sharing step by step how to produce your own videos that will actually get your audience to listen in to learn what you have to offer. Make sure to go check out my Instagram, where you can actually see step by step how I piece together my social media so that it gets my followers and subscribers into my email list and checking out what it is that I have to offer. Now go ahead and hit that notification bell, because you're going to want to be notified for this next video. Because in the next video, we're going to be talking about all the things that you should not be doing in your videos. In fact, if you are already doing these, you can definitely kiss your views goodbye. See you guys next week.